Today we are going to be doing an experiment called warming waters, and we're using a balloon that has no water and a balloon with water. So our materials are 2 balloons, a lighter or a candle. We chose a lighter. We thought that would be easier. Water to put in here. We just filled it up with from the sink. A bucket. We're not using a bucket, but we're outside. The grass is our bucket when it pops. And one last thing is something to protect your eyes. So obviously we're going to be wearing the glasses. So yeah, I'm going to be standing back here so that I don't get wet.
Okay, sounds good. And the goal of what we're trying to do is to see which one bursts first. So is it the one that has air in it, or is it the one that has water in it? Eva, do you have any guesses? Which one do you think is going to burst first?
I think this one.
You think the air is going to burst
Yeah,
first?
I think the water is going to burst after, longer, because water prevents fire.
Okay, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. The one with air in it is supposed to represent Earth's atmosphere, and the one with water in it is supposed to represent Earth's oceans. So here's our atmosphere and here's our ocean. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
All right, first let's try the Earth's atmosphere.
Tell me when to start the timer.
Okay. Let's see. First we need fire.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it could take a little while.
It's not really touching it.
I don't think it's supposed to touch it.
I don't know.
It says,
It's not.
so we inflated one balloon and tied the end, and then we are holding it away from our face, the lighter beneath it, and we're taking note of how long it takes for the balloon to pop. Then we're going to make a water balloon.
30 seconds.
Okay, we're at 30 seconds.
It's not even close to it that much. A little bit closer because the air is pushing it.
Okay, I'm going a little closer to it. Now you could do this with a lighter or a candle, but either way, you just want some heat underneath it.
Doesn't say to touch it or not to touch it, so.
Oh, but let's move the paper, love, because we have fire.
Ah! 1 minute. It's fire going. Oh, it's turning black. Let's see your guys' angle. Oh, yeah, they have. Oh!
What's our time?
So I stopped it 2 seconds after. So 1 minute and let's say 18 seconds.
1 minute, 18 seconds for the one with air in it. Okay, let's see what happens with the water.
Now I feel.
It's leaking.
Do you want me to stop it? Does that count as
I
pop?
think that counts.
Okay. Well, that took 3 minutes
Here we
and
go.
57 seconds.
Oh yeah, you guys see where you said it's all black underneath.
That took 3 minutes, 57 seconds.
Wow.
That
Okay,
definitely won.
so let's see this again. So,
Okay, I screenshotted it.
oh good. And there it is officially.
I'm wet for the 3rd time today.
So water can absorb much more heat than air can. So it
smell
takes
like fire?
significantly longer for the water balloon to pop, which is what we saw, right, Eva?
Yeah, whoa.
Around the world, the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas is causing an increase in carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. This is trapping the heat of the planet like a blanket, causing the oceans, land, and atmosphere to warm. Because water can absorb more heat than the air, which we just saw,
Yeah.
approximately 90% of the warming that has happened over the past 50 years has occurred in our oceans. Eva, as our oceans are getting warmer, what do you think that it's doing with our fish, seals, and whales?
Well, it could kill them if it gets warmer. It depends if they're cold-blooded, warm-blooded.
Yeah, with the mammals. And so we really think that this is causing a big problem for our ocean's animals. So we need some solutions, and we need them quick. But in the meantime, this experiment is giving us an idea of what's happening on our Earth and in the oceans.
Wait, P.S. Saving the Earth, but picking up all this excess helps too.
That's
because it's
right.
plastic.
Yes, make sure to get all your plastic up. Thanks for joining us for this wonderful, fun experiment. Be sure to tag your experiment, #Kvaroy Kids, to donate $1 to the Marine Mammal Center in your name. Bye.